Welcome to this unique countryside house in a private area surrounded by orange groves. This 7-bedroom villa consists of 5 bedrooms with ensuite and a guest quarter with further 2 bedrooms, lounge and dining area. The villa has a large terrace that surrounds the property with multiple spaces for dining, a private swimming pool and a mature garden. This charming traditional house is located between Silves and Lagoa and is a great relocation or guest house. Let me show you around.